Hi everyone, my name is Ivy. Thank you for watching my video. And in next few minutes, I will be saying something about the bodies in digital culture. So for the first part, I will talk about the embodiment in digital culture, and then technology and the bodies and the creeping interfaces. Let's move on to the first part, is embodiment in digital culture. I just want to mention the core part in digital culture is the anonymity and the mutability in place and performativity. The simplest example of the core in digital culture is no one knows you are a dog on the internet. Someone just like to hide their identity or change their bodies because of the anonymities. So what is the role of the embodiment in contemporary digital culture? It's constitutional, which means embodiment is seen as being fundamental to the formation of the digital culture. So we have the body driver digital cultures. The good example of that is the VR. When people use VR, they usually have a very real feeling of being in this virtual science. So let's move on to the technology and bodies. So in the lecture, it mentioned that the disability studies provide crucial insight on how to compare bodies in digital cultures. Actually, this is the boon for disability. According to the Reading Disability Fairness and Algorithmic Bias in AI recruitment, mentioned that the Francis, which is the deaf people, and he can use the phone call, and the phone will read the name who called you. So AI is another kind of the technologies. However, there is some drawback about this AI. According to the lecture, it mentioned that the algorithm in AI is not inclusive, since the databases is not much enough in disabilities. And since I also mentioned that the world is complexity, and AI have a limitation to know this world. So what is the creeping? It's hiking, adaptation, remix of the interface. Here is an example that tutor says about accessibility in Apple.
So now accessibility in the next slide of iOS, the operating system for Apple. It's now celebrated a wide range of features for a wide range of needs: vision, hearing, physical and motor skills, learning and literacy, increasingly neurodiversity, a range of other aspects of our lives, our bodies and identities are now being registered and designed into the digital cultures rather than excluded.
So in this video, we just mentioned the core in digital culture, how technology will help the disability people, and the creeping interface in our life. Okay, so here is the reference list in this video. And thank you for your watching. Have a good day.